injury, and then from that injury I had to take ARVs. As I was taking my ARVs, I started having the horrible side effects. I was forever hungry, the other ones, hallucinations and so forth.
Oh my god! Welcome to our channel, Nomakaya K Munaheng. We love you, mommy.
So I just want to share with you guys my nighttime routine. I'm back from a night shift at the moment, so I'll be sleeping soon. Kids who just came in asking for a phone, like it's still late in the morning, she needs to sleep. Now she left the lights on. Welcome to my channel. My name is Onomakaya K Munaheng, South African nurse in UK. Yep. Welcome back to my subscribers. Welcome to my new subscribers. I hope you do consider subscribing. On my channel, I share about our immigration, moving to a new country, how to settle, and how to navigate everything else, and little bits about immigration. And yeah, I hope you stick around. So I'm sleeping right now. Hey K1.
Hi.
How are you?
Okay.
Your little sister woke me up and I want to sleep now. Your little sister was here looking for daddy's phone.
I told you that is a
So, oh yeah. Yeah, let's snap. Let's snap. So we're waiting for the machine delivery, right? They said they'll be here between 11 and 1, but they'll call around 10 to let me know the exact time. So, goodbye. Please turn off the light.
This one?
Yes, please. And also all the lights in the house.
Yeah.
Nighty girls, please sleep. Don't even use your phone, please, K1.
I have to charge it, it's off.
Are you charging it now?
Yeah.
Alright, good then. See you later, guys. Yo, 10:30. The driver called that he'll be here in an hour's time, so... Oh, can I sleep? What if I don't wake up? I'll stay up and see.
There was a knock.
Hello. Come.
Mommy said no one I like it. Mommy,
Yes.
let us say one and the one.
Yeah.
The white one. Still like little kitty.
Yeah, we still have to take that one out. I don't know if it will fit nicely here or it will close the way. Please put it here.
Just there, yeah. Stop it over
Yeah.
there, mate.
Oh yeah, perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem. There you go.
Thank you.
All right.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
Sure.
Mommy.
Come on, okay.
Mommy, what's daddy?
Work.
It's only daddy.
Why? Mommy's here. I'm joking. Daddy's coming.
Yeah, daddy's coming. This is our new one.
Yeah.
Get the pizza. No,
Mhm.
it's our new one.
Ah, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Let me show you my hands. Look. From the hand wash, you see? Me, I'm not meant for hard labor or stuff like that. No. So I'm going back to my sleep.
Didn't you say it was gonna come on Monday?
No, Sunday.
No, I mean Sunday, yeah.
Oh,
today
Saturday, sorry. So I'm going back to my sleep. We'll unbox it later.
Yeah. And daddy
Sure.
comes back.
Yeah.
Big.
That big.
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy will make a plan.
Yay.
Alrighty. Love you. Can mommy go back to sleep?
Not yet.
Not yet. What do you want me to do?
Happy your gum, got one gum, and one gum.
No gum. Still early in the morning.
Like one gum.
No. She doesn't want gum. Don't lie. I know you want it. Your hands are cold. Yeah. Move the chest. The thing's at the bottom. You do the top last. Show Gum how to take off the butterfly. Nice. And put it in its bag. There. Yeah. Yay. Yeah. Yes. Go back to sleep. So I'll just have breakfast with the kids. Right now I wanna brush my teeth, freshen up, and then make some breakfast. No. You have it, my baby. Come. Teeth, please. Wash your teeth, not your tongue first. Teeth. Just put it. No, just put it. It will rotate. Just put it like this. Close your mouth. Close your teeth. Don't rub. Go. Close your teeth. Close it. Do that. Just put it here. It rotates on its own. You still used your manual brush. You wanna be extra?
Too sour.
Okay, sorry. Just need to have this before breakfast.
Mommy, how long does your phone take to pick it up?
Knock knock. Knock knock. Why are you hiding that?
The gold paper.
You like tea?
Come, it's supposed to be looking at mommy. I'm gonna say action. Action. Action.
Yo, Bantase, the time now it's 1:30. I am going back to sleep. I set my alarm now and I need to be up in 3 hours. Night duty. Oh yeah, let me sleep. I asked K1 to do the washing machine unboxing with Daddy, so we'll see how that one comes out. But I'm sleepy now. I'll see the machine when I wake up.
What do we do with them? Nothing. That one is broken, my baby, okay?
Why is that? I like that.
You like black?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You have black coats, black pants, and black coats.
Oh.
I'm up now. The time is 6:45. I feel I'm well rested. So I'm thinking I usually eat at work around 11, but now I think it's good that I eat with family around 5 before I leave. And then at 11 at work, I just snack on fruits and have some yogurt. So I'm also gonna do the same today. And I hope that it works. I'm gonna wake up. My alarm was set for 5:15, so I have a couple of minutes. And I'm with Happy now. Just for us to chat if there's anything to chat about. Spend some time with the kids and then I'm off to work. So yeah. Let's go shower. So this is rose water with star serenade, something like that. I saw it from some lady on TikTok who says she's using it for the face. So it's too cold, so I'd rather spray it on my hand and then it's warmer in that way. The vitamin C and collagen and retinol. This is a night serum. Got the eye serum. And then I've got this night cream. Sunscreen. So I put in sunscreen at night, during the day. And these are the two oils that I use. So my skin is very dry and these have been working for me. You can already see that it's almost finished. And then I like this one, especially at night because it's thick. It moisturizes my body very well. Let me show you. It's thick. It's like a thick gel. And it moisturizes. Now that I'm going tonight, I need to be warm. Well, growth. Wait. And then my perfume. You know how back home you would drive into this lane and only join when you get there? Here, the people won't give you a chance to go in there. They would rather wait in this one long line until you get there. But keep in mind, there's a bridge behind. So whoever is in the last, there at the back, they're not safe. But yeah, that's how it is here. Sorry. No, baba ngidrop off. Akuna parking angithi.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wena uyitholile manje.
Akubakuthi uwe. Bengaboni ukuthi
Kuphi?
usalaphana ngubona.
Oh, mina ngibona mongena umnyango semba kwakho.
Ah.
Sesibanga umsindo angaka esibhedlela. Lireli. Baccarat Rouge. But
Is it button?
it's Baccarat Rouge, but it's the dupe that they're selling.
Is it from Zara?
No, Zara does have.
Good.
I think they do have. But it's always sold out.
Yeah.
I think it's better when you order online. That's the only time you can get it.
Also, like, they're not actually that cheap. Like, the Zara perfumes are still like 20 quid.
Oh no, they're not. Because this one I bought it for, was it 25? 25 quid.
smells good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good shift.
Thank you. Go home and rest. Sure. Bye.
Yo, Bantase, never ever in a million years did I think that I'll ever do night duty ever in my life. Don't get me wrong, don't get me wrong. I know when you're a nurse, you are obliged to work 24 hours, but in my country, what happens is that you choose to be on permanent night, and if there's no one to cover the shift, then they would ask you, which is what happened to me. While I was a student, I had a block of night duty, and on my second shift, I had a needle stick injury. And then from that injury, I had to take ARVs. As I was taking my ARVs, I started having the horrible side effects. I was forever hungry, you know, the other ones, hallucinations and so forth. So I came off night duty and I never did it again until when I qualified working as a midwife. I had to cover someone's shift. So I went in for my night duty, and that whole month was okay, but then I got tired. I remember the one time I even slept on the highway. The Metro Police came to ask if I was okay. I took a nap for 30 minutes on the highway. They guided my car, and I'm grateful for that moment. And then afterwards, I drove home. That's how bad I am with night duty. So now I'm back to working in the hospital, and everyone rotates. Everyone works day, everyone works night. There's no one on any permanent shifts. So that's why now I find myself working night duty. Otherwise, it wasn't so bad, but I say so. What happens during night duty is that you come in, you get your handover, you do the allocation, and you are allocated which patients you'll be working with for the night. You take your notes. After your notes, then you prepare your medication. After that, you go and greet your patients, give your medication, make sure that they're settled. Then it's lights out, the patients need to rest. Then from there, we can start taking breaks. For my break, I want to have my fruits and yogurt, as well as read my book. Then you look at your chart to check for any medication rounds. The usual medication rounds is 12, 2, 4, 6. Anytime when the patients need medication, you need to give medications. Antibiotics can be anytime. So yes, that is my night duty routine. But I say it wasn't a bad night, really. Until our next video, and I say don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.